All right, teachers, it's March Madness basketball, but also March for our latest math fix. Please take a look, let us know what you think, and how you're using them in your classroom.
Today's math fix centers around K.OA.3. The standard is about decomposing numbers less than or equal to 10 into pairs in more than one way. In this math fix, we'll focus on 10. In this task, students will certainly solve the problem, but the focus is on how they solve the problem. Students should be pushed to come up with multiple ways to solve, reinforcing the understanding that there are many strategies for working on problems in math. To discuss student possibilities, we'll follow the concrete, pictorial, abstract continuum. The most obvious way to figure it out for many students is the concrete, with actual red and yellow counters. Make sure you have them available, but don't pre-distribute. If a student asks for them, show them the container and allow them to take out what they need. This is a great way to see if they automatically take 10 and know that's what they need, or if they struggle a bit. Next, still concretely but with less mobility, many students will think to use their fingers. We are talking about 10 counters and they've got 10 fingers. It's a match. They can use their fingers to see 5 and 5 as a solution, and from there they can come up with many more solutions. Moving on to the pictorial is obvious for many students within this math fix. One of the first math drawings they do is circles. If they have access to crayons, you may see your students take out their red and yellow crayons to draw a representation of the 10 counters. Some students may be happy using their pencil. If they don't make it obvious which ones are red and which ones are yellow, follow up and ask them. Finally, in the abstract, we're talking digits and math symbols. Kids tend to be most comfortable with equations that start with the add-ins and end with the sum. Be on the lookout for students who have internalized the idea, ways to make 10, as well as the understanding of an equation and the multiple ways it can be written. You may have a kid that records the equation with the sum first and then a series of combinations. To close out, let's go over the solutions. Remember, this math fix is about how they solve, so ask follow-up questions and prepare to have multiple students share. You may even choose to have them share in concrete, pictorial, abstract order. You may also choose to ask your students during the share if they can think of any other ways to figure it out and create a list. Highlight that there are multiple ways to figure out this, and that's what math is all about, being flexible.
That's it, teacher. That is our math fix for March. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Looking forward to hearing how you and your students engage with it. Leave us a like or a comment below, and we'll see you again next month.